Welcome to the second ever reactions video. It's called For Cars Me Plane. This Me Planes. Let's get started.
Hey there, where are you guys coming from? We're here from Propwood Junction. We're looking for our friend, Chupacabra. Have you guys seen him anywhere? Can't say that we have. What does he look like? Look out, Mater!
Oh, it crashed!
Let's get these guys fixed up and back on the road.
What
Look
man
at me, buddy.
and why
I'm
I
an
can't
airplane.
have
I
airplanes?
always wanted to be an airplane. What? Mater, this is awful.
That's
I
from
got a Grand Prix next
costume
week. I
and
can't
mayor.
have wings. Rise and shine, buddy. Hey, Mater. I just had a crazy dream about an airplane crash, and we were the planes too. Well, that's because we had planes flying around here all morning. Come take a look.
From a crash site, an airport car crashed. And let's continue this video.
Hi there, I'm Mater, and I'm Lightning McQueen. What's your name? Hey, come over here. Look at these planes landing over there. Wow, that's really cool.
Skipper for F1 from
Hi, I'm
World War
Dusty
II.
Crabhopper, and this is my friend. Skipper's the name. Hey,
Skipper, that's fun. Yes, maybe an
F5
jet.
Sure, not a
It
problem
works
at all.
on an aircraft carrier.
thanks.
I
Be
saw
sure
it from
to
Air
use
Show.
Okay, follow us. We'll take you to the gas station and get you guys all filled up.
I'm going west over soon.
Hey, thanks a lot, Mater. Sure thing, buddy. Hi, guys. Would you like to...
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Also, a great relax. To see a third one.